Recently, I picked up a used flat-screen TV and thought it would be good if I could connect my laptop to it from across the room. At first, I was looking at extended HDMI cables, but then I remembered the Qisoable Wireless HDMI Transmitter and receiver, which had been sitting on my wish list for a few months. The price had dropped to where it was worth taking a chance on, so I decided to try it out. The package contents are pretty straightforward. There's a transmitter for your PC or projector, and a receiver for the HDMI port on your TV. Both of them have power cords which are plugged into available USB ports on your device and TV. These come with USB-C adapters if needed. The Qisoable transmitter is advertised to accommodate a variety of devices, including phones, tablets, and set-top boxes, with a transmission delay of less than 0.01 seconds to your monitor or projector. It claims an upper range of 165 feet indoors and 328 feet outdoors, and a resistance to interference. The setup is very simple. Just plug the TV receiver into an available HDMI port, with its power cable plugged into a USB port, or into an outlet if your TV doesn't have one, and set the input on your TV to the HDMI port. You should see the blue instruction screen. Then plug the transmitter into your laptop or other device. On a laptop, you might be able to get away without the power cord, but keep it handy in case the signal gets weak. Windows should automatically see the new display. My computer duplicated the display and I set it to extend. I was able to get 1920 by 1080 resolution on the TV without any problem. The transmitter advertises a distance limit of 328 feet. I wasn't able to test this range, but I was able to broadcast from the next room without any trouble.
Features an Intel N97 processor with a maximum speed of 3.6 gigahertz.
I'm pretty happy with this solution. The setup is easy and automatic, and the transmission is stable with good audio and video quality. It's an advantage over possibly tripping over a cord.
The setup is pretty simple, but a multi-language manual does include some caution instructions.
See the video description for links to the Qisoable Wireless HDMI Transmitter and more of my content. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.